My name is Soma Dubey. We are basically natives of Madhya Pradesh, but we are in Bangalore for around 10 years now. Me and my husband, we are married for around 2.5 years now, and around a year and a half back, we thought of planning for the family. And then before we got ahead with it, we wanted to see a gynecologist just to make sure that everything is fine. And then also I had little bulky stomach, so we were a little bit worried and we wanted to see a doctor. And then that's when we first ever actually went and met a gynecologist. And I mean, with experience, the doctor told us immediately that I have a big fibroid. And but then she also asked us to do a scan. And in the scan, we could make out that I rather have 2 or 3 fibroids. One was very big, one was almost I think 26 to 28 weeks pregnancy kind of a thing. And then I mean, this was a shock for us because we thought that everything will be normal and we'll just go ahead and plan for a baby, but then this was like a full stop. We didn't know what to do. So then in between, I read about it on the internet and we met almost 3-4 doctors, and then most of them were normal gynecologists. So they told us that okay, this has to be removed and you need to do a big surgery, you have to open up the full thing, and then but nobody actually told us that okay, everything will be normal after that. So at that point of time, we were not so comfortable, undergoing a big open surgery. So I kept browsing the net, and that's when I came across BEAMS. So I mean, fibroids, started looking at the net, and then of course there were a lot of information available, and that's when I came across BEAMS. I also came across a couple of other places, and we met a couple of other doctors as well. I mean, laparoscopic surgeons. But then one day we left home in the morning, and then we met a couple of people, and then in the evening we decided to also drop by BEAMS, because what I read on the website was quite promising. I know that BEAMS did a couple of world records as well in terms of laparoscopy. So we decided to drop by, and then that's when we met Dr. Shantala. And then she was quite normal. I mean, when we spoke about fibroids and everything, she was quite normal. She was very confident that okay, she's handled this in the past and it's okay. I mean, one thing that I would also like to mention is that some of the doctors we met, they made us really feel like criminals. I mean, you have a big fibroid and you have a 28 weeks fibroid, and how did you manage to go around for so long? But Dr. Shantala was quite comfortable. I mean, she told us that it's common, people do have fibroids, and if you remove it, it's possible to also have kids. So that gave us a lot of confidence actually. And then I think within 2 weeks we decided to go ahead with the surgery. So I mean, I was in the hospital for around 3 days after the surgery, and of course I was able to walk within 24 hours. So that was a happy feeling. I mean, I didn't have to really stick to bed, and then I could manage to go home within 3 days. I was back in office within I think around 10 days to 2 weeks. And then I could work normally. I mean, even at home I didn't really find any problem. Of course, little bit pain was there, but then that was quite manageable. And then of course 2 years back when we met Dr. Shantala, it was because we wanted to have kids. So we had to wait around 6 months after the surgery to really plan for the kids again. And then within the 7th month, when she said you can go ahead, 7th month I conceived. And that was a very happy feeling actually, because I mean, we really wanted to be parents. So then of course we came back to her, and then she told us what to expect. I mean, what to expect during the pregnancy, and then what complications could arise. So one good thing is that she also told us what to expect after the surgery, or what complications can come. So that gave us confidence that she's seen these cases, and then it's okay to go ahead with this. One thing that I like is that when I went to the website 1.5 years back, there were certain things that were mentioned. One thing is that you will not feel like you are in the hospital. So I actually feel that I'm not in the hospital. The nursing staff is quite supportive. They are quite friendly. They are very professional as well. Of course, the doctor is quite knowledgeable and experienced. And I mean, of course, last time when I was here for 3 days, and I think this time also the recovery has been quite fast. So I'm just looking forward to go back home, and I think it was an overall good experience. I don't really feel that I'm in the hospital or something. Yeah, I would definitely do that. In fact, I have spoken to a couple of my friends and colleagues who are having similar problems or some other, childbirth related problems, and I will for sure recommend beams.
For anybody, what matters most is the family, and when you look for healthcare, I think what you look for when it comes to your family's needs are someone who can give you assurances, someone who can fulfill those assurances, and someone who can share your troubles while your family goes through all these health related issues. I think I could find all of that with the nursing staff, with the doctors, with the administration at Beams. I think all my worries were well taken care of. Very much in advance, I was told about all that we may be going through, and in bits and pieces, information was being passed as and when it was supposed to. I think that all gave us a lot of confidence, and in the end, as I look back in hindsight, I think we made a good decision in coming to Beams. It was a new center at Bangalore. It was not much tried about. Friends were wondering whether we are doing the right thing or not. I have no reason to regret. I think I have ample reasons to feel good about our choice.
Mrs. Soma Dubey, she came some 1.5 years back to us when we started this Beams Hospital, and it was quite challenging case because she had almost 7 months pregnant uterus, size of fibroid. So when she came here, we explained what are all the things we have to do, how we will be able to do. Just we explained her how we are doing laparoscopy for this type of cases. Then one thing is, whatever she used to ask, she used to Google it, and she used to come and ask all the questions. Very understandable patient questions, but it was really needed questions she used to ask. We used to explain. She was very understandable in that way. So after removing, it was almost 1.8 kg fibroid what we removed for her. The most challenging aspect is she conceived within 6 months after the delivery also. The pregnancy was uneventful, and she is also very happy. Everything went well now till now. And we have removed bigger size fibroids and even the uterus also. But most challenging aspect in this, immediately she conceived and she had a normal baby also. But we did cesarean because in view of big fibroid, what we gave big scar on the uterus. So we did cesarean. So when we did laparoscopy for her, it was quite big uterus. We found very less space to put our instrument also laparoscopically, and we struggled for quite long time, almost 3.5-4 hours we took, I think. And most important thing is the removal of fibroid is also very early, but taking out the fibroid from the abdomen will take time. That needs morcellator, special equipment. So that took long time for us. The recovery was really very, very good after laparoscopic myomectomy. So most of the ladies may not be still aware of the laparoscopy. Even after laparoscopy, maybe they will be really scared whether they will conceive normally and they will have normal pregnancy and the normal baby later on. As such, still whatever the things we have done in our center, and we have studied previously, and other studies whatever previously it was done, the pregnancy is not affected with either you do laparoscopically or through open surgery, and the pregnancy remains the same thing, the pregnancy rates, and even the delivery rates same thing. Depending on the size of the fibroid, we will suggest them to undergo either cesarean or normal delivery depending on the scar what we give on the uterus. And it is like few may be really scared that whether they will conceive after the laparoscopic removal or those things, but it's really, the pregnancy rates are really good as equivalent to open surgery.